Good morning, everyone. Before we start brainstorming, let's go over our daily progress. Sure, I've been working on the new UI design. The homepage is almost complete, but I'm facing some responsiveness issues on mobile. Lisa, how about you? I finished integrating the payment gateway. However, during testing, we found a delay in processing transactions. Mark. The backend API is 80% done, but I encountered an issue with data synchronization between services. Thanks for the updates. Now, let's discuss the issues. Yes. Let's start with Alex's issue. Any thoughts on fixing the mobile responsiveness? Lisa. Have you checked the media queries? Sometimes a small CSS conflict can break responsiveness. Yes, I did. It seems the Flexbox properties are causing inconsistencies. Maybe using CSS Grid instead of Flexbox could solve it. Good suggestion. Alex, can you try that and update us? Will do. Now, about the payment processing delay. Lisa, have you checked the API response times? Yes, it seems to be a latency issue with our third-party provider. Maybe caching the responses for repeated transactions could help? That's a good idea. I'll test it out. Lastly, Mark, about the data sync issue. What's the main challenge? The database replication is slower than expected, causing inconsistencies. How about implementing an event-driven approach using Kafka? That could work. I'll explore it. Great job, team. Let's review the progress tomorrow. Thank you.